Hello, students. This is Section 7, Reading for Unit 10. This is the last section for the student book in Unit 10. Felicidades. All right, so your reading strategy is to read for specific information. When you need to look for specific details, skim over the text quickly to look for the section which contains the needed information. To skim is to just kind of look for specific words or numbers, just real quick. Necesito esto. All right. If you are looking online to see what movies are on at your local cinema, you wouldn't read the section that tells you about restaurants in the complex. You would go to the movie times section and look for the correct date and time that you want to go. So, for example, if you're looking for sports, you're not going to go to the news or you're not going to go to the weather. You're going to go directly to the sports section. So, make sure you're looking where you need to go. That is your strategy. All right, so and section B says listen to the audio, skim the text, and decide in which section you will find the answers to these questions. So identify the kind of information you are looking for, a number or a specific word, for example. So that's what we're going to do with these 5 questions. Vamos a decir lo que estamos buscando, algo específico. So for number 1, I'll read it and please repeat it with me. How many guests attend a wedding in Indonesia? So, what kind or what type of information are you looking for? How many guests is a number. So, you'll be looking for a number. So, write the word number. Number. You're looking for a wedding, something specific, a wedding. So, write wedding here. And then you're looking for Indonesia. So, you're looking for a place. Indonesia is a country. So we're looking for a number, an event, and a place for number 1. Number 2, what color is considered to be lucky in Vietnam? So in this one, your specific information that you're looking for or your details, you're looking for colors, you're looking for something about luck, and you're looking for a place. So right there you go. Number 3, how long ago were the first weddings held? All right, so how long ago is asking about a date or a period of time. So this would be a number. So you're looking for numbers and you're looking for events. That would be a wedding. So numbers and an event. Number 4, which number is considered to be lucky in Thailand? All right, so this is easy. It tells you right here, number. You're looking for a number. You're looking for something that would be lucky, something, una cosa, and a place. Thailand is a country, so you'll be looking for a number, a thing, luck, and a place, Thailand. And number 5, what color are the birds that are often part of Philippine weddings? So this one you're looking for probably 3 or 4 different things to find this. You're looking for a color, you're looking for an animal, birds, you're looking for an animal, so a section with animals. You're looking for the event of a wedding and a place, the country, the Philippines. So write all that there. That's the list of details you would be looking for. So for this one, Philippine weddings, I would look, okay, this says the Philippines right here. And then, okay, 2 doves, that's a bird. So it's going to be probably here. All right, so I'm going to play the audio now, and you're going to follow along with me.
Reading. Activity B. Listen to the audio. Skim the text and decide in which section you will find the answers to these questions. Identify the kind of information you are looking for. A number or a specific word, for example. Weddings in Southeast Asia. Weddings are one of the oldest traditions in the world. It's thought that they have been celebrated for at least 5,000 years. Today, we are looking at weddings in Southeast Asia, an area rich in tradition and variety. The Philippines. Because most people in the Philippines are Catholics, weddings are westernized. The bride wears a white dress and a mass is held where rings are exchanged. During the ceremony, 2 doves, a kind of white bird, may be set free. But some old traditions and superstitions remain. It is thought to be unlucky for 2 sisters to get married in the same year. So this is generally avoided. It is also considered bad luck if one of the rings falls to the floor during the ceremony. Vietnam. On the day of a traditional Vietnamese wedding, the groom's family forms a procession to the bride's house, taking gifts to the bride in a beautifully decorated box, covered in a lucky red cloth. Fireworks are lit, the gifts are presented, and the families take part in a candle and tea ceremony, where speeches are given for guests and the presents opened. Thailand.
All right, so because it's on another page, the audio cut out, so I will read it to you. In Thailand, where most of the people are Buddhist, the date that a wedding is to take place is given great importance, and astrologers may be consulted. On the morning of the chosen day, there is a Buddhist ceremony conducted by monks, which is usually only attended by relatives and close friends. 9 is considered to be a lucky number, and so 9:09 is a popular time for this to take place. Later in the day, the groom and his family form a procession known as the Khan Ma'ak to the bride's house, sometimes accompanied by musicians banging traditional drums. Inside the bride's house, a non-religious wedding ceremony is conducted by a senior elder who pours water over the hands of the couple into a bowl of flowers below. Indonesia. In Indonesia, weddings are divided into the ceremony and the reception. Most guests are invited only to the reception. These celebrations are huge, often with more than 1,000 guests attending. So there is plenty of food. The entrance of the couple into the hall is very important. Professional dancers may go ahead of them, and they are followed by their family members onto the stage. Speeches are given, and then the couple receives and greets each guest individually. All right, so there you go. So now we have the same 5 questions. Now we need to answer them. So, how many guests attend a wedding in Indonesia? All right, we know the place is Indonesia, and we're looking for a guest. So we're looking for a number. So here you go. But most guests are invited. These celebrations are huge, often with more than 1,000 guests. So how many guests attend a wedding in Indonesia? 1,000 or more. There you go. Number 2. What color is considered to be lucky in Vietnam? So we need to find the paragraphs for Vietnam. Look for the words lucky and some color. So here you go. Vietnam, traditional procession, bride's house, decorated box. Here you go. Lucky red cloth. Lucky red cloth. So the color red is considered to be lucky in Vietnam. Number 3. How long ago were the first weddings held? So we're looking for a date or a number, in the general weddings. So probably not here, probably not here, probably not here, probably not here, probably in the introduction. So here it says 5,000 years, at least 5,000 years. Hace 5,000 años. So there you go. And the answer, how long ago were the first weddings held? About 5,000 years ago. There you go. Number 4, which number is considered to be lucky in Thailand? So we need to find the Thailand section, look for the words lucky and a number. All right, Thailand, let's look for numbers or lucky. Lucky number. 9 is considered to be a lucky number. There you go. So which number is considered to be lucky in Thailand? The number 9 is considered to be lucky in Thailand. Make sure you're writing your answers here. And number 5, what color are the birds that are often part of Philippine weddings? So again, let's find a section for Philippine weddings, birds, and a color. Here we go. So let's start here. All right, brides, white dress. Okay, white, but it's talking about a dress. So let's keep going. Here you go. During the ceremony, 2 doves, a kind of white bird, may be set free. There you go. So, what color are the birds? The birds that are often part of the Philippine weddings are white. They are doves. And the reason they use doves is not because probably it's white, but doves are the only birds that mate for life. So, once they have a partner, they stay with that partner until they die. So, there you go. That's it for the reading section. Hope you enjoyed it. We're almost done with the school year, so keep working hard. Adios.